classic yellow. And for the icing, I chose Betty Crocker's cake icing, which is also gluten-free. And you can use whichever sprinkles you want, but I went with the Sunny Side Up Bakery's confetti sprinkles. Alright, as far as tools go, you'll obviously need a muffin or a cupcake pan. Get out those cupcake liners. I'm going with pink, but choose whichever color you want. You'll also need some mixing bowls. Make sure you have one large one to combine everything easily. Measuring cups are always necessary when you're baking. Measurements have to be precise. You'll need some measuring spoons. I used a 2 tablespoon size to portion my cupcakes. And a spatula. I prefer the rubber kind because they work so well. For the extra ingredients, you'll need 1 cup of water, 1/3 of a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. So let's get to it. The first thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. And really easy. So while that's preheating, I have my yellow gluten-free cake mix, and I have 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 eggs that I already cracked. I'm just going to put them in here. And now we'll just mix it all up. Now that we have all of that mixed up, I'm going to go ahead and put my pink cupcake liners in. Now that I have all of my liners in, I'm going to add the batter. And then just pop them in the oven for 10 or 15 minutes. I'm so excited! Guys, it's only been like 5 minutes and I'm already freaking out. I can't wait to taste them. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's been forever. Let's take them out. All right. Now they're done! Guys, I can't believe how good it smells in here. I'm so happy. I'm gonna stick one of these toothpicks in the cupcake to see if it sticks or not. They're done! Guys, now we have to go through the hardest part, waiting for them to cool. And they smell so good! But then, after, we're gonna get to decorate and eat them, and that is the best part. Alright guys, now they're all cooled off and we're gonna go decorate them. I have my vanilla icing and my confetti sprinkles. They're from the Sunny Side Up Bakery. Sprinkle time! Alright guys, they're all done. They look so pretty. I made them just for you guys.
Aww.
Well, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe for more from Stella's